Your next car could be the 2020 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, backup camera, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power passenger seat, remote engine start, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection. Treat yourself to an inspired driving experience. Get into this industry-leading Camry and savor its blend of luxury, efficiency, power, and style. Our team is standing by to make your test drive fun and easy.